Hello guys, today I will give you two secrets on how to succeed in trading stocks. There are a lot of people who think that there is like a magical formula or there is a strategy that works at 100% or all what the other people are saying. It's not true. Okay, or you have $100 and then you make $1 million in 1 month or 1 year. There are a lot of a lot of exaggerations, and these exaggerations make beginners following a dream that it will never happen. But there are things that are, if you continue, if you do them, the success is just near you. Okay. Now, the first thing I want just to explain is the first one. Let's go to the first one. So the first one I want just to mention is first, is it the first one? Okay. Continue trading. Now, what does it mean, continue trading? This is one of the secrets, but only the people who succeed, they know what is it. Okay, continue trading. What does it mean? It means that even if you have a loser here, just for example, you do one trade, even there is a second loser, third loser, don't worry about it. Okay, there should be another, maybe 4, which is a winner. Okay, and this winner is so good that it will cover all these losses and you will have a profit. Okay, so this is only known by people who are into the market and continue trading. So if you are going to continue trading, the one thing that you should never do with continue trading is having what we call big losses. This is the number one that makes you fail. Okay, big losses. It means when you don't have what we call risk management, when you don't know what you are doing. Okay, risk management. It means, and you are doing a very risky trading and you don't know. These are called big losses. So these big losses will stop you from continue trading. Okay, so that's why I say continue trading, because you need to master risk management, because when you master this, you will continue trading forever. It means forever you want. It means 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and you are doing trading. It will be like a business for you, and you do it all your life. Okay, so continue trading in matters of doing the trades. Don't worry a lot if you have a loser or 2 or 3 or even 5 or 6. Don't worry, because sometimes the market is so volatile that it didn't give you the right winner. But sometimes when you get a winner and you stay that long, you will have a big profits. And this is what we call number one. So continue trading is a secret by itself. Most of the people who stay longer, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years trading, they will succeed, because with trading they will discover things that the books will never talk about. You will see things that you, in terms of imagination, you will never imagine that. Okay, a stock that it is $1 and it goes to $30 or $40 or $50, you have never heard of, but you will see it one time if you get one these lucky things. So this is just a matter of time. Okay, that's why I always say you should save a lot of money for your account, save money for all your life, put your money there, try to trade and continue, never stop. Because if you lose 1 or 2 or 3 trades, and then you say, okay, I am a loser, I don't know what to do, the market is always against me, Wall Street is always against me, and it's just the way beginners do. Some, they are whining because they lose 1 trade or 2 or 3, and if they continue like this, they will stop. But they don't know that maybe the 4th trade or 5th trade, it will be excellent, but they can't reach that because of their way of thinking. Okay? Understand that trading is a business. You should, if you fail, it doesn't mean that you will fail forever. Okay? You fail because you do mistakes, but when you correct the mistakes and you continue to trade, understand that you will succeed. It's not just by time, but by insisting and becoming persistent and constant and working on your trades always. And this what makes you a winner at the end. Because there is no one who just go into the stock market and make tons of money without just like this. It can't be. Okay? There should be training, there should be practice, there should be continued trading until you succeed. Okay? So this is the first thing we wanna talk about. Now let's go to the second thing I want to mention. Okay? Now, second thing I want to mention, which is a secret, is correcting mistakes. Okay, correcting mistakes and by training. By training, either you take a training or you do it by yourself. It's not a problem. But training just, it makes correcting your mistakes quicker. Just this. Because if you do it by yourself, it could be it could take 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years, or you will stay all your life correcting the mistakes, but you can't. Okay? So this number 2 secret, which is correcting mistakes either by training, which is the quickest, which is quicker. Now, when we say correcting mistakes, what does it mean? It means when you do your trades like this, there are many trades, you are doing the same mistake. It could be 1 mistake, it could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 4. Okay? And this kind of mistakes, you should identify them, this mistake, identify the mistake, and then correct it. Now, if you don't know, you don't know, it means there is no identification. You don't know what is wrong in your trading. So here, the thing that you know is you are not making money. This is one result. Second thing, you are losing money, but the problem for you is that you don't know what's going on. It means you don't know the mistakes. How can you correct them if you don't know them? So these mistakes, either you can get them corrected by training. It means you identify the mistakes, or you can check each trade and see what's going wrong. Okay? It means, do you have clear idea when and where you are buying? Just an example. Okay? Are you doing a lot of commissions? You can speak about fees. You can speak about risk management in your trade and in your account. There are a lot of mistakes. Please, if you are interested in this, you can just go to training level 17. Training level 17, which is how to fix your trading problems. You can find there are, I listed 28 problems. You can find this kind of problems, and then you can and they give you the solution. These are some 28 problems that I have is some of the problems. You might have more, so you might do only 1 or 2 or 3, not all of the problems. Okay, so the second thing, which is the second secret, is correcting mistakes. It means you do the first one, where what we talk is continue trading and continue correcting your mistakes. When you continue trading, you will find you discover the market in what we call the real market. The real market, you discover it when you trade for a long time. You will see a lot of things. You will see gap downs. You will see gap ups. Okay? You will see a very huge profit. Now, I'm not telling you you will see a huge losses, because according to our criteria, according to our strategies, we don't stay with a loser. This is one of the most important thing in my strategies. Don't stay. If a trade is a loser, just exit it. Don't think about it. Try to find another stock, because we have daily winners in the market. Daily, each day we find stocks. So why you buy a stock and it goes against you and you stay with it as if this is the last trade you do on your life? Try to work in continuous working. Okay, as I do. For me, what I do, I have always explained, and I will explain again. For continuing trading, is I have my portfolio, and if I exit a trade, I replace it the whole year. Okay, the whole year, I don't care. If I have big profits and then I exit, I replace it. If I bought a stock 1 day, 3 days, it's not going good as I wish, I exit. Find another stock. Okay? The problem is that if you continue to do big mistakes, the stock is against you, and you say, no, I have lost $200 or $300 or $500. I don't want to get out until the stock will go up again, or what we call come back. But believe me, maybe you have seen it in your trading. Believe me, some stocks, they will never go back because they have problem. That's why I always tell you that continuing trading, meaning going with the good stocks. It means you hold them, you have more profits, and you eliminate all the others that are bad, and you will feel very happy, because a stock that 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it goes to your stop loss. Okay, get rid of it. Find another one. Why you are waiting for a loser to come back again? And who tells you that the stock will come back even in the future? Who tells you? Okay, if you ask me the question, and how do you know the stock might come up again? How do you know? I say to you, but I'm thinking about my risk now. I'm not thinking about the future. If someone comes to you, and if you are losing money each time, and you are staying with those losers, what will happen to you? You can't trade anymore, because if you, let's say you buy a stock and then you lost $100, and this is your stop loss, but you don't put stop loss. You say, okay, I will do it later. But because we are weak, we are not disciplined, you will be frustrated because you lost some money, and you say to yourself, okay, I will give this stock a chance tomorrow, and then if tomorrow doesn't go up, I will sell. But you will do it always. Tomorrow, next day, next 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the stock begin to take a lot of money from your trade. It means the stock price is going down and it's taking all your money. Now when you wake up and you feel the pain, and you see your broker account, and you see that the stock has taken 700, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, it's too late. And then because your frustration, because of the pain of losing, you exit the trade and you close your account. Okay? But this is not what I am teaching. I am teaching you to become disciplined, independent. You buy a stock, it doesn't go good, exit, find another one. It doesn't matter if you lose $50, $100 or $200. It doesn't matter, because the next trade, maybe you will have $700 or $1,000 and you will cover your loss or the other losses. Don't worry about that. The main thing is to continue trading and be disciplined. And when you continue trading, you will see a lot in the stock market, and this will give you knowledge, because when you see a lot of things happening and then you try to avoid them, sometimes you don't know how to avoid things. Okay, you need a training to clarify this thing, which is okay. If you have, for example, you have a question, please send me your questions. Okay, by private, for example, in when you see this this video, on the subscription you find my email and my website. You find my email, send me an email and ask your questions. Maybe I will do videos for you and clarify some of the problems in the future, because everything I'm doing here is to share my information and to help as much as people to understand what they are doing, and for those who are serious to go and to have serious training and to continue your training. You are welcome, and thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please comment and send me a private message when you have. I understand some people, they don't like to comment, they like just to watch. They have questions but they don't ask. Try to take your chance. Send me an email and I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much, and thank you. And before I forgot, because tomorrow on Sunday is Easter, happy Easter. And tomorrow on Saturday at 9 o'clock I will have a live session. So if you don't work, or if you are just hanging out, please join us, let us speak, and if you have questions, bring them and just we hang out. I know such Sunday will be a holiday for you guys and you can sleep or you do whatever you want. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.